Hi guys, I'm setting up for the live today with my new products here, Biologic Research. So for everyone who is joining in, you will see today how I use these products in my skincare routine and what are these products all about, what is new in them and how you can use it in your skincare routine. So I'm just gonna tag this live as well, but I can't see that. Fine. So guys, Biologic Research is a very premium skincare brand which is now available at Isaac, and for all of you who know about these products, they are extremely well known for their effectiveness, for their extensive range of skincare serums, moisturizers, because what Biologic Research per se believes in is that there is always a skin instinct that each one of us has, and that skin instinct changes with your day, with your weather, every time. So your skin type is not something that you're born with a particular skin type and throughout your life that skin type would remain the same. But your skin type actually changes, which is called skin instinct. So yes, we do Biologic Research skin analysis at Isaac, and we are the authorized retailers now. And we are very privileged to introduce it because it takes care of your skin and it takes the skincare level to next step up. So it believes in skin instinct, which means that every time when your intake of food is different, or your periods are different, or your hormones are changing, or when you are aging differently, or the weather is changing, whether it's your intrinsic factors or it is your extrinsic factors, your skin instinct changes. And for every skin instinct, there is a particular product which is actually customized for the skin instinct that we have. So that is what we have over here. And when we talk about skin instinct and Biologic Research, there are a lot of products. So there are products which is about the cleanser, which is about the lotions, which is about the serums, which is about masking. It also talks about multi-masking routine. And then there are also the finishing serums. They are also about the sunblocks. So there are a lot of things that we all have over here, which I'm going to talk about. Okay, so please have all your questions coming in the question tab, because I will be taking all the questions over there. Otherwise it becomes very difficult for me to keep a tab. So when we talk about Biologic Research products, it starts with the cleanser, then it comes to the lotion, then it comes to the serum. And in Biologic Research, we don't stick to one particular serum. So you can actually be using about 2 to 3 serums together in Biologic Research. And after the serums comes the moisturizer, which can be different for the morning routine and can be different for the night routine. And after that comes the finishing serum, which is actually one of my favorites as well. And then comes the sunblock. So this is what it is. And today I will be doing my skincare routine for you to see that how extensive it is, although I did mine in the morning, but I'm going to repeat it over here for all of you to see. So when it comes to the cleansers, there are different cleansers in Biologic Research. The one that I've chosen for my skin type is VIP O2, which works on the skin which lacks glow or it is prone to pollution. That is what it is meant for. There are other 2 cleansers also. There is also one meant for aging skin, which is dry and dehydrated. And there is one more cleanser which is meant for acne prone skin. So there are 3 cleansers in total, but I particularly picked this one for myself. And the way to use it is just pump out this milky cleanser in your hand and then you massage it on your face. And enjoy this little time while massaging on your face. The cleanser is actually, it has barely any smell and it is really good. Don't forget to massage it on your neck too, because your neck is actually part of your face. So after we have done that, we use a cotton to just remove it. So the pricing of the product is very different because it all depends if you're planning to buy the entire range or you're just wanting to pick 1 or 2 products from this particular range. So the pricing depends on that. So I've just used the cleanser. And post the cleanser comes the most important step which everyone talks about, is the lotion P50. So this is the lotion P50 which has been covered intensively in all the media articles and the news, which a lot of celebrities also talk about, because this is that magic lotion which is an exfoliant. It's a mix of acids which not only mildly exfoliates your skin but also makes your skin ready for the next step. I particularly chose P50W for my skin because my skin is little sensitive, but there are other lotions as well. Depending on your skin type, we would suggest which one is a better one to use. There's lotion P50 plain, which can be used for all skin types. Then there is a lotion P50 for pigmentation prone skin, which is also very good, and in fact for people in India who have a lot of issues when it comes to melasma and pigmentation, they can always use that. All the products are available at Isaac, so you guys can actually DM me or at Isaac Lux for us to fix up an appointment to understand your skin instant and then suggest you the products. So how to use lotion P50, because it is quite intense and it is an exfoliant, so you have to use it very properly. So you use a cotton pad, dip it in water, and then you just put few drops, like 3 to 4 drops of this on the cotton pad, and then you swipe it up on your face in the upward and outward direction. Never, never, never forget your neck, because that's a very important part of your face. And these days I'm getting so many patients who want to look at not just their faces but with their necks also, and sometimes neck is where the age shows. So this is Biologic Research products that we are talking about for everyone joining in little late. So these products are not dependent on your age, they are dependent on your skin instant. So I've just done 2 steps. I've used a cleanser, which was my first step, and then I've used the lotion P50, which is their most talked about product. It has been called genie in a bottle as well. It doesn't smell too good because of the actives inside, but it is a wonderful product, and I've been using this now for a week on my skin. I was expecting my skin to show some purging, but thankfully I chose the one for sensitive skin, which is the lotion P50W. So there's not too much purging, but yes, on my forehead I can feel a little bit of purging is happening. And now comes the part with the serums. So in lotion P50 you can actually mix 2-3 serums together. There is a serum for acne prone skin, there is a serum for pores on the skin, there is a serum for moisturizing, there is a serum for pigmentation, there is a serum for lifting, there is a serum for toning. So there are a lot of serums, and these serums are actually customized depending on your skin type. In Biologic Research, we definitely look at first step, which is most important, is hydration. Because only if your skin is hydrated well enough, that is when the other actives will work. If your skin is not hydrated well, your skin will actually break out, it will show dryness, it will look more aged, it will look dehydrated. That's why we need to hydrate the skin first. So for myself, I have chosen this particular serum, which is Extra Tissue Solaris, which is one of their most iconic serums. So how you use it, it comes in a bottle like this. I take just a few drops, close the bottle right away, activate it, and then you put it on your face. And as I said, you can actually mix in 2 or 3 serums also. As you go further in your skincare routine, you can keep adding more and more serums. So this is my second serum, which is one of their most talked about serum, which is Oligoproteinous Marine. it is very good for hydration, for glow, for improving the dull complexion. You can also use it as a good under eye serum because it has all the right ingredients. I take about a few drops, not too much because you don't want to waste. Rub it in and then you put it on your face. Yes, it works on the dark pigmentation on your neck, and it also works for acne, for all of it. And then comes my next step, which is the moisturizing. So moisturizing is always good, be it your dry skin, be it your oily skin. All skin instants need a moisturizer. So what I've chosen for myself is cream Collagen Marine, which is one of their iconic creams for moisturizing the skin. I'm using that. So I've used two serums here, Manju. There is one serum which is Tissue and one is Oligoprotein. These are two serums for my particular skin instant, but then there are other serums which are customized depending on your skin. This cream, Collagen Marine, is actually pretty nice and it is very, very light. It's not dense. Although I thought anything which has a name like a Collagen Marine would be very, very heavy, but it is not. So I'm very happy using it even during this time of the year. It's not making my skin feel any cakey or dense. And then is the another cream which is for the pigmentation control for skin spots. I generally like to just mix a little bit of this with Collagen Marine because I don't want to use too much of this intense cream. So we mix it up and then we put it on your face. I'm on the moisturizing step, which is one of the most important steps post the serum application. Some patients even in fact post just 1 week of using this product can see a lot of difference because of the exfoliation and hydration. It gives really good results. And then comes the next step, which is the fluid. So fluid is like the last most important step, which not only locks it in but also gives that finished appearance. You can use it both morning and night, but for now I'm using it only in the morning. It comes in a spray bottle like this over here, and then just 2 sprays right here. This is the product. Yeah, that's my son right here helping me. Rub it in and then we just dab it. So first is the serum. This is the finishing serum, which is like a iconic product by them. Not generally other product lines have this kind of a serum, but this is a finishing serum or a finishing fluid, as they say. This is different. So I'm just gonna recap all the products with everyone who has been joining now. This is the cleanser, the first step. Then was the lotion P50, my second step. After that were these 2 beautiful serums that I used on my skin for glow and hydration. Then I used these 2 creams. I mixed both of them together. One is Collagen Marine and one is Pigmentation Control. And then is the fluid, the finishing fluid. That's what we did today. And then with biologic research, we also have a lot of importance given to masking. So these are the 2 masks that I'm showing you over here, but there are in total 3 to 4 masks. One is mask VIP02, which can lift your dull complexion right away. How you use a mask is about 2 to 3 times in a week. You can use this. And this is a mask which is, which one is this? Mask Vivante, which is meant for acne prone skin. So these are 2 of my favorite masks. You can even do multi-masking with these products. If you have an oily combination zone, you can use Mask Vivante on the center T-zone and Mask VIP02 on rest of the face. You can buy all of these products from Isaac Lux. We are authorized retailers of biologic research in India now. So please feel free to get in touch. And this is what I did today. Yes, sunblock is important. I forgot to carry the sunblock for the live today, but I'm gonna rush back and put on the sunblock after this. You have to use a sunblock half an hour before you step out in the sun and every 2 to 3 hours. But even if you are sitting inside in front of your screens, it's very important to use a sunblock. And what do you do for open pores? There are of course a lot of products with biologic research for open pores as well. There's Densipure, which is one of my favorite, which comes in this particular format. And then for active acne, they have a serum called Serum Iribiol, which works beautifully for active acne. For anyone even who get like few acne spots here and there, you can take that serum and you can just apply on your acne spots wherever you get them. Siddhi wants to know that apart from all the other brands you recommend, such as Bioderma, which is to be chosen and which this brand or the others. So Siddhi, it depends on your skin type, your age, your priority, what you want to do with your skin, and what are the major concerns. So I would help you choose your products accordingly depending on your skin type. Especially for people during the lockdown who aren't able to visit the clinic very often for their treatments, I'm suggesting biologic research, because it's very easier to keep your skin healthy, and upkeep of your skin is easier with products like these because they are very, very intense. They are not meant for the faint-hearted because they are not very easy to use. I would suggest you should use the complete plethora of treatments when you're using them, and they are all very result oriented. So even for blackheads and whiteheads, the lotion P50, which is an exfoliant, works beautifully. So if you have congested skin which has a lot of acne, whiteheads and blackheads, the lotion P50 works wonderfully for that, and that's why it has been spoken about greatly. And does salicylic acid help with melia? Sometimes yes, it does, but generally I've seen removing the melia is always a better idea. For dark circles, we do have under eye creams with biologic research, but we also, what I do is I use my same serum which is for the face for under eye as well. But for under eye, particularly if you have dark circles, I would want you to run your blood check to understand what is the reason of dark circle, and then I would suggest you an under eye cream depending on that. Name some good sunscreens and cleansers for 18-year-old. For 18-year-old, you can pick anything from Cetaphil, from Bioderma, or you can pick even Sebamed, which is very good. But it all depends on what kind of skin do you have. Is it oily, combination? What is the major issue? In UK, I won't know. You can probably visit the Biologic Research website to understand who are the retailers, authorized retailers. It's very important to buy these products from authorized retailers because they come with this logo and imprint which makes sure that you're buying authentic products. So make sure you buy it only from authorized retailers. And after having laser treatment, can one apply sunblock with tint? Yes, you can, absolutely. But generally with tinted sunblocks, I've seen that people don't apply as much sunblock as they're supposed to apply. So make sure you apply sunblock liberally. That's more important. And I do face pores issue. What should I do? So we all have pores, Manish. Sometimes they're more visible and sometimes they're not. It's very important to keep those pores clean. It's very important to use retinols if you have a lot of pores, which is generally due to the sagging of skin. So these two things will help. You can use cleansers with acids. You can use some AHAs and BHAs to exfoliate, and those things definitely help. Poonam wants to know her inner thigh has dark color. What should she be using? So Poonam, if your inner thigh has dark color, probably it is due to friction. Stop wearing clothes which are very tight. Try to lose more weight, reduce your sugar intake, and there are a lot of peels available as treatment in the clinic which can be done. So we have intimate peels which can be done for their inner thigh, for your vaginal area, and those actually work wonderfully. And no voice really, I think. So Geeta wants to know my daily morning rituals. So Geeta, for me, my morning starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. I love to go for a walk initially in the morning, and I do a lot of affirmations, meditations, and then I do workout for an hour. And post that, while I'm working out, I have my moringa juice, which is something that I have started recently, and it's actually going very well with me. Post that I have my coconut water, and then breakfast, which is generally avocado toast or some eggs. And then the skin ritual is right here. And then we have some questions about looking for some face treat. What treatment do you recommend for thinning hair in your clinic? So Kiara, we have a lot of treatments for hair thinning, but first of all, in my clinic, if you're coming, I would want to understand what is the reason for hair thinning. Is it some deficiencies? Is it stress? Is it due to some hormonal imbalances? And based on that, I would suggest you some treatments. The treatments can be either PRP, which has shown amazing results because it works like a fertilizer for new hair growth, or there are treatments like Progenera, which I have recently launched in my clinic. It is a beautiful treatment. You don't need multiple sittings for the same, and this treatment actually is to be done only once in about 1 to 1.5 years, and you can see great results. Even from androgenic alopecia, it has great results. So it depends what kind of hair loss do you have. And then we have questions about pigmentation cream. So Gitu, we are actually talking about pigmentation over here. In biologic research, there is a complete range which is called PIGM 400. So you have a cleanser, you have a lotion, you have a serum, you have everything depending on that. And pigmentation needs to be understood more specifically as to what is the reason of pigmentation before we give you any treatments as such. I wish I opened everywhere and I could reach to all of my clients here, but then, you know, with COVID, my hands are also tied. But we have started our operations in Mumbai for everyone who has joined us over here. Our Mumbai clinic is open, so please feel free to reach out and we shall see you there. And what treatments for dry and blackheads near jawlines, and I have my wedding in 4 months. So congratulations if you have your wedding coming right away. So Lotion P50 works as a wonderful exfoliator. It will not dry up your skin, yet it will remove all the underlying acne issues. Must understand, if you have acne and blackheads around your chin area, it's probably hormonal. Get your hormones checked. Stay away from sugar and dairy. That's very, very important. So I guess that brings us to an end to this live today, and it was wonderful talking to all of you. We have the entire range of biologic research available at Isaac Lux. Please feel free to DM us and we will get back to you as to what is your skin instant and what is the product suited for your skin. Thank you for joining us. This would be here on my Instagram, there on the IGTV, so you can reach out. Our clinics in Delhi and Mumbai are open, and yes, I'm available in my Delhi clinic only on appointment, so please feel free to book your appointments. Thank you.